how to create TikTok Shop affiliate account. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing on how you will be able to have an account on your TikTok Shop where you will be able to use it for affiliate or for the main purpose of interacting with the features of affiliate marketing. Now, in the TikTok Seller Shop, you will be able to access and find anything related to affiliate marketing by looking over here at the top part. As you can see here, we have Data Compass, Affiliate Marketing, Live Manager, and Academy. You can see that you have affiliate marketing over here, and we will be able to access all of these features. Now, before we get into that, to be able to access affiliate marketing or anything that you're seeing right now on our screen, technically the account that you need to have is of course a seller account in TikTok. Now, there are several requirements for you to be able to have a TikTok Shop account. And when registering, this is what you're going to see. As you can see, when you visit TikTok Shop Seller Center, basically you're going to select an account type of your location, click on Next, and you're going to log in or register the TikTok account that you are using. So let's simply wait for this one to show up here so that we could show you guys the different things that you're going to need to do. And as you can see here, basically you're just going to sign up with your TikTok account. And if your TikTok account is a business account, or if you pass the requirement for you to become a seller, you will then be able to create or easily create an account that you could use to access our different affiliate marketing features. And the requirement is TikTok Shop. This is what the requirement is in my location, in my general location. The different requirements that we would need to have for us to be able to sell or start up our TikTok Shop seller account. Over here, you would be, as you can see, you must be at least 18 years old. And there's other information over here like IDs, individual applicants for IDs, stuff like that, valid IDs. And there's a threshold for your account as well. You would need to have, I think, a minimum of 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers to your account. But anyway, let's go back here to our TikTok Shop. Now, accessing our affiliate marketing over here, these are the different tools that we have. So mainly, let's look over here on the left side. We have all of these different tools. Now, what does the Affiliate Center do for us? So basically, what the Affiliate section or Affiliate Center does for us is that we will be able to offer or provide other content creators the opportunity to promote our product. And through their promotion, if someone successfully purchased a product through them, they will be able to receive a percentage and earn money through that. And if you want yourself to be one of those creators, of course, you would need to be someone who has a static or who has an audience. And typically in the Affiliate Center, to be able to find creators to promote your app or to promote your product, you're going to see it over here under Discover Creators. And you will see it like this one. As you can see, you will be able to see the name, GMV, items sold, average video views, and engagement. So if you want to become one of those affiliate centers, you would need to be someone who is actually already selling an item before, or you have an experience, you have an audience, you have really good views, as you can see here. And people, like for example, my account right now, will be able to find people who wants to be an affiliate content creator who earns money through the affiliate links or through the different products that they try to sell. And you can see them over here. We can also manage or view rankings over here on who are the current best sellers in TikTok. As you can see, you have top sales, we have afford deals over here. We also have fast growing users over here, popularity content or popular content, productive creator, top collaborator. Now, what we're seeing right now here are for people like me or like our account who's trying to sell our product. And we would like to help, or we would like the help of our content creators to promote our product so that people would buy our product. And you could choose between many people over here out of the different creators. And you have manage creators over here. This is where you will be able to manage the people that you have started the affiliate partnership. Wherein, as you can see here, you will be able to see creator tags, products and showcase, stuff like that. You will be able to see who you are working with creator wise. So like if you found the creators who would promote your product, this is where you will be able to find it. And then you have your partner campaigns. You have campaigns over here that you could start, as you can see. There's also seller initiated over here. And then we also have a marketplace, as you can see here, where you will be able to register a campaign and then you could select a commission rate, as you can see here. And you also have sample requests here. You will be able to review or check who are requesting for a sample. So because of course we have creators that we want to promote, they could either choose to purchase the product on their own, or of course we could send them the product in the sample request, send them the product themselves or ourselves so that they have a product to demo it with their video. And it's like going to be part of their payment for promoting our product. So we have this feature as well. And then you have your typical analytics, and then we have our affiliate orders over here. Now this is where we will be able to see the affiliate orders, or like creators who successfully sold a product through them, through the link that we will provide through the affiliate marketing. This is where we will be able to see it and manage it as well. Because like I explained earlier, since they are promoting our product, one of the things that they will be able to get as a benefit is they will be able to receive a certain percentage, a certain amount for every product that they are selling, for every amount of product that they are able to sell, because that's the their main revenue. And you could also check out your collaborations over here. This is where you will be able to add the product that you want to put into our TikTok shop, like the product that you want other people to promote, and then they could check out. The users will be able to check out different products that they could apply for. Like for example, if I was a content creator, and then I will be able to see products from the collaboration page, like a product that someone is offering to have a commission fee. So it's similar to our marketplace over here. So that's basically it, guys. So to be able to create an affiliate account, you can easily create a TikTok shop account by following the eligibility rules. It depends on your location, and you will be able to access all the affiliate marketing features. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.